What's good, YouTube? Just pulled up to this gas station real quick. About to bring y'all another video. POV driving through the city. Might cut up tonight. We'll see how the traffic is. Wow, look at this grill though. I don't know if y'all can see the front mounts. This is a prime example of how a BMW should look, in my opinion. Woo! This shit clean, boy. Clean up some E right quick. Just finished. I really do fuck with the no spoiler look, like I said in my first video. But this shit is starting to grow on me. Just look how devious this car looks. Look how crazy this shit looks. I need some rollers done a mass. If you guys know anyone that does good film work, camera work, I need to see my car in the flesh. You see that shit in the flesh, bro. But yeah, man, I don't know what kind of video we about to do today, but regardless, I think it'll be a banger, whatever we cook up. Hopefully we get to see some Lambos or some shit tonight. We'll see though. If not, regardless, still gonna bring out some dope ass content. I don't know if I showed y'all my interior last video. Oh my god. Yeah, this shit's super clean. Stupid clean. Stupid clean. All I really need to do, like I said, is get that port injection, bro. Port injection. I feel like I don't really need to rush into a single tool right now. Like I said, I mean, my first video, like I said, man, I appreciate y'all. We almost got 30K in the first video, which is insane. Like, I haven't uploaded in 3 years, and to drop 30K just like that is just kind of nuts. So I do appreciate y'all still supporting me after all these years. But yeah, man, I think my next goal really is just to get a full port injection, bro, in a new manifold. And I think with the full port injection, you can push like 800 wheels. So fuck it. If that's what I'm about to do, that's what I'm about to do. But yeah, man, let's get right into this video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna just drive to the city and do like raw uncut footage, but regardless, man, I'm gonna pull up to the city. I'm gonna get some more tunnel flybys for you. I'm gonna do a 0 to 60 in this video too. I do have my draggy right here, so we're about to see if I can record some shit. The draggy signal is kind of ass, so we'll see if it acts up. But yeah, man, tonight's video is gonna be lit. I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure to drop a like on the video. Sub if y'all new. Follow my Instagram, my Snapchat. Like I said, man, I'm gonna leave those in the description. And let's get it. Can't believe I wasn't recording, but I literally had just got stopped by the city of Doomerson. He gave me a warning, luckily, but he said he had me going 84 and 65, which is not true. But like I said, man, thank God it was the warning. He was on hot to me as soon as he took me over. I can't lie. I thought he was gonna hit me with the fucking ticket of Doomerson. Thank God though. You know what I'm saying? But I just pulled into this lot. I'm about to give y'all a quick 0 to 60. Like I said, it is kind of like rainy out, so I'm not sure if my tires are gonna stick. But with a shot. Like the cabin noise alone too, with the windows up, it still sounds extremely good, man. I don't know why these cars get so much hate. And I can't lie too, bro. I know my last video I also said that the like AMG heads be shitting on the S55, S58. Bro, it'd be the B58s too, bro. Fuck B58s. I don't go fuck. I don't go fuck. B58s be shitting on the S55 and S58 for no reason, bro. B58s definitely do push though. They definitely do push. y'all go to the gym too, man, yo, never hit shoulders the day before y'all do this no strap POV, bro. This shit hurt. Wish I lived in Florida, bro. Like, this weather here is so ass. The past week has been raining, like no sun, straight butt, straight who's many days, bro. Oh god. Oh my god, look at this beautiful interior though, chat. It's like a spaceship. Let me know if y'all fuck with AMG or BMW interior, man. To be honest, like the old F-Gen, obviously AMG definitely had better interior when it comes to like ambient lights and stuff like that, but oh no, I really think that the G generation really just shits on any AMG, but that's just my opinion, obviously. One thing AMG do have though is definitely the best sounding V8s for a fact. You can't really beat an AMG V8. Super right in front of me. You're not trying to race though. You're not trying to line up. You're not trying to do nothing. You're not trying to do nothing. You're not trying to do nothing. ask him, but I don't know if he's gonna be with it. You don't want to run it, bro. That shit gets me tight, bro. That shit gets me tight. Come on, bro. That would have been some lit ass content for y'all right there, bro. Alright, you too. So I am gonna wrap up this video right here. I'm gonna give y'all a walk around. I know my last video, my walk around was pretty shit. My GoPro died on me, but let me know if y'all enjoyed today's video. Drop a like, make sure to sub too. But yeah, man, let me also know like how many times a week you guys want me to upload. I'm thinking once a week, but I might do like 2, 3. Just depends. I don't want to get the POVs too repetitive for y'all, but if you guys do genuinely enjoy it, then why not just keep uploading, you feel me? So nah, this is literally the best BMW ever made.